sinasabi sa'yo dito, you have to heal yourself, mga air sign, no? And then you have this 8 of Pentacles in reverse, no? So, sige, kuha pa tayo ng isang card, please. One more card for the air sign. So, 2 cards ang lumabas. You have this 7 of Wands, no? So, really, you have to heal yourself down, no? Focus on yourself daw, mga air sign, with this tower din, no? 7 of Wands and the tower, no? Focus and be ready, no? Sa mga pwedeng bang mangyari. In the near, maybe, no? There is this tower, no? There will be an ending talaga na mangyayari for some of you, earth signs, no? So, be ready with that. And then, of course, and then, of course, nakikita nyo ba? Nagalaw ang ating, no? So, yan, no? You have to heal yourself down, no? Sabi ni universe dito, no? Alagaan mo daw yung sarili mo. And with this 8 of Pentacles in reverse, no? So, maybe for some of you talaga ay hinay-hinay, alagaan nyo talaga daw ang sarili nyo and be ready with this tower, no? Dahil soon ay mangyayari tong tower na to, no? There will be an ending sa sitwasyon nyo, mga air signs. So, be ready, no? So, kailangan ay totally healed na kayo. Totally alagaan nyo ang sarili nyo, no? For some of you, no? So, I think meron din 7-7 dito, no? So, tignan ko nga. Parang lumabas din ang 7-7 angel number, no? So, ang 7-7 kasi ay, awakening yan for some of you, no? 7-7 angel number is an awakening, no? Of the soul, no? Ginising kayo ni universe talaga dyan with the, so wala, no? Parang may nakita kasi ako kaninang 7 din, no? So yan, no? So basta, so ayan ang sinasabi sa'yo dito, no? Ni universe, air sign, no? You have to heal yourself daw to, and also be ready with the endings because it will happen talaga, no? For you. It's for your own good din para magbago na yung sitwasyon mo, no? Air sign, no? So, tinutulungan ka na dito ni universe, no? Mga air signs, no? So, what else, please? Para sa ating air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please. What else? So, you have this 8 of Cups in reverse, no? So, and then, someone from the past ay magbabalik, no? For some of you, no? Maybe, or, kung sino man tong umalis, someone na umalis ay magbabalik. Maybe, someone from the past, no? So, meron ding nagbabadya dito na someone from the past ay magbabalik. So, I think this one is your friend, no? Because siya yung past person mo, no? So, someone in the past, no? So, I think, once nag-end na tong relationship mo with that person you are dealing with right now, you are with a family, no? So, yan nga, kasi nga ay hindi talaga siya naging totoo sa'yo. Sobra ka nang nasasaktan, no? That's why, magkakaroon talaga ng ending dito sa inyong relationship, no? Dahil ito na si The Tower, no? So, may death and rebirth na din. Lumabas na lahat-lahat, no? Air signs. So, ito na lahat, no? Siguro ng hinihingi mong signs, no? So, meron talagang mangyayaring ending sa iyong connection with sa iyong relationship right now, no? So, and then, after that, continue healing lang yourself. Focus on yourself. Focus on your stability. Focus on whatever you want to do, no? So, talagang alagaan mo lang ang sarili mo. Focus, di ba? Just focus, and at the right time, magbabalik itong past person na ito. Maybe that past person is really meant for you, no? For some of you lang, no? I don't know. Maybe, no? So, what else, please? Para sa ating air signs, please. What else, please? Para sa ating So, yeah, no, we have this Four of Swords, no? So, you have to heal yourself, no? So, ito pa pala, no, the moon, no? So, yan, no, full of secrets talaga itong relationship nyo right now, no? So, pagod na pagod ka na rito, no? Air sign with the Four of Swords, no? So, you really need to rest, no? Ipahinga mo sarili mo, focus ka, no? So, wag mo na 'tong pigilan. It will happen din, no? Eventually, no? For some of you, earth sign, just go with the flow. Tinutulungan ka na ni universe dito, no? So tignan pa natin sa ibang deck, no? Kung anong dapat, no? Tignan pa natin. So tignan natin anong magiging, ano pang pwedeng, wait lang, tignan natin ano bang naging sitwasyon nyo ng iyong person na ka-deal mo right now, no? Ano ba talagang naging problema nyo? Something like that. Tignan natin. Mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please. Ano po bang naging sitwasyon nila ng kanyang person right now? Kung sino tong karelasyon niya ng ating mga air signs right now. Please, Universe, Holy Spirit, ano po bang meron? So, waves, no? Emotion coming, going, no? So, yeah, no? Full of emotions talaga. Kumbaga, parang talagang, di ba? For some of you, dahil may tower nga dito, no? So, may masakit man, no? But then, kailangan talagang mangyari, no? So, what else, please? Para sa ating mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please. So, hindi natin kukunin, madami. So, wait lang. So, yan, no? Meron talagang separation na mangyayari dito for some of you, no? So, sinasabi na talaga sa ni universe, kailangan mo nang alisan tong relasyon na ito na hindi na talaga ito healthy for you, no? So, masyado ka nang wounded dito, air sign. Masyado nang marami ng pasakit itong relationship na ito, no? Para sa'yo. So, parang wala nang makukuha dito sa deck na to. Tignan natin sa iba. Tignan pa natin. Ano bang sitwasyon meron, no? Ano bang nangyari talaga? Tignan natin. Universe, please. Holy Spirit, please. Ano po bang nangyari sa relasyon nila ng ating air signs at ng kanilang person, no? So, you have this facade beliefs, no? So, meron talagang hindi kayo pagkakasunduan dito ng iyong person, no? Kung sino man itong you are with, you are in relationship right now, no? So, magpagkaiba kayo ng paniniwala, maybe, and then, of course, yun nga, no? Hindi siya may hindi totoo, something like that, no? So, meron ditong, hindi nagpapakatotoo, no? Something like that, no? So, yan, no? What else para sa ating mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? So, ano ito? So, transcendence, unity, no? So, maybe, for me, ang pagkakaintindi ko dito, because we are asking anong nangyari. So, walang pagkakaisa sa inyong relationship, no? Walang unity. So, kanya-kanya lang kayo dito sa relasyon na ito, no? So, hindi talaga kayo nagkakasundo ng tao na ito, no? Air sign, no? That's why, laging may conflict, laging struggle ang inyong relationship. And what else para sa ating mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please, universe, what else regarding sa kanyang relationship right now, no? Na dapat talaga bang mag-end na ito, no? For them, please, universe, please, ano pa po bang meron sa kanilang relationship right now? So, ano ito? Leo, Aries, so maybe, air signs, maybe, you are dealing then with an fire sign, no? Or Aries, no? Aries, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, no? So, yan, no? Maybe your person is, a fire sign, no? But it doesn't have to be, no? But then, no? Kumbaga, ito ay talagang full of fire, no? Full of conflict, no? ang relationship nyo right now, laging may pag-aaway. And also with this reunion, soul ties, no? So yeah, maybe meron talaga tong kinalaman sa past person mo, no? After all the chaos with your present relationship, once nag-end na ito and you are totally healed, reunion with the past person, no? Earth sign, no? For you, no? For some of you, no? So, what else? What else para sa ating mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, please? What else, please, para sa ating mga air signs, please? What else? Ano pa pong meron? So, ano ba tong tumalon na ito? So, you have this lack, doubts, no? So, 'di ba? Wala ka na talagang tiwala, nawala yung tiwala mo sa person na ito, air sign, no? So, talagang lagi ka na lang nagda-doubt sa tao na ito, no? So, yun nga, no, yung tiwala mo is nasira, no? Something like that, no? So, dahil nga may betrayal na nangyari rito, no? So, tignan nga natin kung ano talaga ano ba talagang reason bakit nawala ang tiwala ng dito nahulog sa, wait lang, i-shuffle ko lang to mga earth sign, no? So, tignan natin, ano ba talaga yung pinaka-reason nyo, earth signs, at bakit nawala ang tiwala nyo sa inyong person, no? So, hirap na yung tiwala nyo, no? So, tignan natin, universe, please, Holy Spirit, what else? So, freedom, no? So, gusto mo na talaga ng freedom, no? So, ito na talaga ang earth signs, no? Once na nakaalis ka na, nakalaya ka na sa sitwasyon na ito, just take the leap of faith, no? So, more opportunities will be coming to you, earth signs, no? So, maybe, this is a reward from the universe, no? Dahil sa lahat ng painful na nadaanan mo, na pinagdaanan mo, earth signs, no? So, maybe, hindi biro-biro talaga yung sakit na naranasan mo, no? In the past, no? Kung ano man itong mga to. So, soon, magiging malaya ka rin and opportunities will be opening for you, no? Just take the leap of faith, no? Maniwala ka lang, air sign, no? So, what else? So, self-worth, di ba? Just know your self-worth, no? And expect, once you know your worth, no? Na naintindihan mo na, mas pinahalagahan mo na, inalagaan mo sarili mo, mas pinahalagaan mo ng sarili mo, then expect the beautiful outcome of it, no? So, binibigyan ka na ng assurance dito ni universe, no? Just take the leap of faith, no? So, what else, please? Para sa ating mga air signs, no? And you have this chemistry, passion, no? And this is the one, ito yung darating sa'yo, no? In the future, no? Chemistry, passion, no? With the reunion here, no? So, with the past person na lagi mong iniisip, no? Right? No? What else? Para sa ating mga air signs, please. 'Di ba? You have this North Node, Cosmic Corp. So, yeah, no? North Node. So, may na-awaken na talaga rito or you will be awakened, no? Earth sign, no? With this North Node. Kasi, ang North Node is an awakened soul na to eh. May mga lessons nang natutunan to eh. Unlike sa South Node, kung baga sa South Node ay nandoon pa yung comfort zone, ayaw mo umalis ng comfort zone mo, may mga addictions ka na ayaw mo, codependency, something like that, no? Mga mga situation na paulit-ulit, na mga lessons na hindi mo natututunan. But then, with this North Node, no, for some of you, ay you already awakened na, no? At nakita mo na talaga yung pangyayari, yung mga totoo, right? No? So, mas nakita mo na at malinaw na sa'yo, no? Yung mga pangyayari, no? So, something like that, no? So, yun nga, no? Dahil na-awaken ka na dito, at ngayon, mas pinapahalagahan mo na yung sarili mo. You know your worth, you're loving yourself more, no? So, continue mo lang tong healing process mo. air sign, no? So, what else? Maybe for some of you ay nakaalis na sa ganitong sitwasyon and then you are healing yourself na, no? You are in this north node na, no? You are going towards your purpose in life, your goals in life, no? Something like that. So, what else? Para sa ating mga, sandali lang, masyadong madami, no? So, i-shuffle ko lang one more time for you, mga air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yeah. So, tignan pa natin what else. So, yeah, tignan pa natin what else. Universe, Holy Spirit for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, you have this detachment called, no? So, really, you have to detach with that person who is cold, no? Who is cold-hearted, something like that, no? So, kailangan mo na talagang lumayo sa tao na yun, air signs totally, no? So, hindi talaga siya nakakabuti sa'yo, air sign, no? And what else? Para sa ating mga air signs, universe. So, what is this? So, yeah, no? You have to take the action na daw, no? Take the leap of faith talaga. Have the courage for the new beginning of your life, air signs, no? So, talagang, alam mo, kumbaga, ito ay step by step na, no? Tinuturuan ka na dito ni universe, no? So, take the action, whatever it is. Just take the leap of faith, maniwala ka lang kay God at maniwala ka sa sarili mo. At yung pangako sa iyo ni universe, 'di ba? Yung rewards niya sa iyo, maniwala ka, 'di ba? Mangyayari 'yun, no? Because nakikita niya yung gaano ka nahirapan, yung mga paghihirap mo, sakripisyo mo with that person, right? So, what else para sa ating mga air signs? So, you have this forming structure, solid foundation. So, yan, no? So, you can, so after that, no? Ito na ay magbubuuin mo na yung bagong ikaw, no? Earth sign, no? And you will be a solid, you will be building solid foundation, no? Again, with your life, no? So, pinapangako sa iyo ni universe, once na nalagpasan mo na ito lahat, at you will be taking the leap of faith towards this new beginning, no? You are now forming your structure, no? You are forming this solid foundation, foundation in your life, no? To have this stability, your wish fulfillment, right? No? So, makakamit mo ito, right? No? So, kailangan mo lang nito ay buuin mo ulit ang sarili mo, right? No? Because you are the foundation, eh. You're mismong ikaw, no? Kung hindi ka buo, kung hindi ka determined to have this new beginning, to to be to have this courage, no? To have this faith in yourself, hindi mo to mabubuo. Hindi ka makakabuo ng solid foundation and you will not be going in your wish fulfillment. Something like that, no? So, you have to heal, di ba? Ay yung sinasabi dito. You have to heal totally yourself, no? So, what else para sa ating mga air signs? So, dalawang card, no? So, yeah, no? You have this distance, no? Retreat or time out, no? Talagang, maybe for some of you, ay you have to have time for yourself muna talaga, no? Para makapag-isip-isip ka ng mas maayos, no? Air sign. And also with this family, home, commitment, no? So, ito talaga yung isa din sa mga iniisip mo because you have this family, no? Kumbaga ay isang family na talaga kayo na akala mo ay, no? Kumbaga parang ito yung iniisip mo kasi your kids, 'di ba? The commitment, but then aanihin mo yung isang family kung may isa namang hindi naman, kung may isang bahagi ng bahay mo ay inaanay, no? Something like that, no? So, what is a family when the home is, you know, kung ang bahay ayun nga ay inaanay, no? So, you cannot you cannot say na you cannot ano man tawag dito, yung hindi mo siya masasabing bahay talaga because may inaanay, something like that. So, hindi siya pwedeng tirahan dahil may inaanay sa loob ng bahay, something like that, no? So, you can never be a family, a whole family, if the home is not a home, no? For you, for the family to stay, no? So it means na someone has to get out of the home because may inaanay na, no? So family, so hindi na kailangan tirahan ng family, no? Maybe kung sino lang yung sanay dun sa anay, siya yung maiiwan. That's why, no? So, what else para sa ating air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Please, Universe, what else? Para sa sitwasyon ng ating mga air signs, please. What else? So, you have this apology, forgiveness, no? So, maybe ang person mo ay if ever, no, baka hihingi pa siya ng apology sa'yo, patawarin mo daw siya. So, or maybe, ikaw to air sign, alam kong masakit sa'yo yan, but then you have to forgive that person, no? Kung ano man yung nagawa niya sa iyo ay patawarin mo na siya, kahit hindi siya humingi ng tawad sa iyo, but then ikaw patawarin mo na lang siya. Patawarin mo na siya totally, i-release mo na lahat ng pain so you can have peace of mind kasi ang hirap pag wala kang peace of mind, right? No? So, yeah. So, what else? Meron pa pala isang card na nag-flip. So, what is this? So, yeah, no, assistance, no, spirit guides, no. So, for some of you, air signs, no. So, if you want guidance pa or some clarification, something like that, pwede ka, ask your guides, no. So, for some of you, or with God's wisdom, no, for some of you, tutulungan ka nila, no. Kung ano man itong mga katanungan mo, i-assist ka nila, whatever, no? Basta maniwala ka lang, right? No? So, what else? Para sa ating mga air signs, please, universe. So, you have this reflection and projection, no? So, yan, no? Reflect, no? So, maybe, time for reflection, balikan mo, ano ba yung mga pangyayari, and you have to project, no? Kung itong past mo, mga nangyari sa iyo ng person mo, and ano yung i-project mo yung future mo na wala na yung person na yun, right? Ano yung mas okay sa'yo for some of you air sign, no? So, mag-isip ka talaga dito mabuti, no? So, what else? So, yeah, you have this spy watching, no? Inspecting. So, some of you air sign, no? There is someone spying pa, no? Watching, inspecting you, no, online, no. For some of you, maybe ay sinecheck kayo online, no. I don't know who is this person, no. So, what else, please? Para sa ating, so, yeah, no, tignan pa natin what else para sa ating mga air signs, no, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no. So, maybe, medyo mabigat tong pinagdadaanan ng air signs natin right now, no? So, what else, please, universe? Para sa ating mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, you have this present, abundant, gratitude, no? So, for some of you, at this present time, no? So, basta maniwala lang talaga kayo, no? You will be having this abundant gratitude, no. So for some of you ay siguro ay napakaano niyo pa rin, no? Kahit na anong pinagdadaanan niyo, sobrang nagpapasalamat pa rin kayo, no? Kahit at this present time na sobrang sakit na ng pinagdadaanan niyo, you are just being optimistic, no? You are just being grateful pa rin sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay niyo, no? For some of you, air signs, no? So, what else? Para sa ating mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yan, no? Meron talaga ditong separation na nangyayari. But then, separation and longing, no? So, for some of you, you are missing someone, no? Maybe that person in the past, no? Who is your friend, no? For some of you. Because nga, may separation dito, no? So, yan, no? Diba? Ito yung sinasabi sa'yo. There will be a reunion, no? For some of you, no? Once you are totally free with all of these, no, air signs, no? So, tignan natin nga ano bang advice sa'yo, air signs, ng iyong inner self, no, with this situation. Siyempre, nakikita ng iyong inner self ang iyong sitwasyon. So, tignan natin anong advice or message ng iyong inner self, no, air signs regarding sa iyong sitwasyon right now, no. So, tignan natin. Universe, Holy Spirit, anong message po your inner self, air sign, no? Inner self message mo kay air sign, no? Inner self, no, ng ating mga air sign. Anong message mo or advice kay air signs, no? From your inner self. So, kukuha na lang siguro tayo dito ng card, no? For the advice, no? For you. So, ano to? Sige, kunin natin yan. Or, maybe, tingnan ko muna Hindi ko siya na-feel. Isha-shuffle ko lang to mga air signs, no? So, kunin natin ang message ng inner self mo, who is always, of course, who is with you all the time, no? So, talagang nawi-witness ng inner self mo ang nangyayari sa buhay mo, air sign, no? So, tignan natin, kunin natin ang message niya for you ng iyong inner self, no? Message ng iyong inner self, no? Air signs, please. Inner self ni air signs. Anong message ng inner self ni air signs, please? Message ni inner self, ng inner self ni air signs. Anong message or advice? So, kuha na lang talaga tayo, no? So, tingnan natin anong message for you. Air signs, no? Wait lang. Medyo intense and sobrang medyo mahaba-haba ang process, no? So, but then, ang promise ni universe sa'yo is you will have this happiness, stability, wish fulfillment talaga, no? So, just take the leap of faith, no? So, you have this journal, no? So, sinasabi ng inner self mo dito, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius is to get a list or to take a note of your events happening in your life, no? Isulat mo. Kung halimbawa hindi mo ma-express, no, something like that yung nararamdaman mo, isulat mo, no? Make a journal. Maybe simulan mo dun sa time na mag-isa ka pa dati, or maybe dun sa time na nakilala mo itong friend mo na ito, who are always on your mind, 'di ba? Magsulat ka from the start until now and tignan mo, malalaman mo doon saan ka naging mas masaya or maybe ano yung mga dapat mong malaman na lesson. Something like that, no? So, time for reflection, no? So, yun nga yung sinasabi ng inner self, no? Take a note of yourself, no? Of your life, and then evaluate or yun nga, tignan mong maigi itong mga pinagdaanan mo sa buhay. Right? And took the lessons you have to learn, no? something like that. But then because you are in a North Node na no, so there is lessons learned na already, no? So, 'di ba? Maybe, yeah, parang ito, ikukwento mo na lang din yung buhay mo, no? With the journal, no? So, yeah, maybe in the future ay magagamit mo itong story ng buhay mo, air signs, no? So you can share it to others, no? Be an inspiration, no? For some of them, for the others na kung ano man tong mga pinagdaanan mong mabigat, can make an inspiration, no? Be an inspiration for some others na dumadaan or dadaan sa ganitong sitwasyon in the future, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, take notes, no? Take, kumbaga isulat mo what, maybe simulan mo sa kung ano yung mas natatandaan mong umpisa, at until now, no, kung ano tong mga kaganapan sa buhay mo, isulat mo, air sign, no? So, para mabalik-balikan mo, and then, in the future, ma-realize mo na pagdaanan ko pala lahat to, no? Something like that, no? So, kumaga, ikukwento mo yung buhay mo dito, no? Air sign, no? So, yeah. And then, tignan natin, anong message sa'yo or advice ni universe naman for you, no? Earth signs, no? So, yeah, tingnan natin. Message or advice niyo po, universe, Holy Spirit, para sa ating earth sign. So, may tumalon na 2 cards, no? Tignan natin to. Ano ito? Para sa ating mga air signs. So, yan, no? Meron dito, time to move on. So, talagang sinasabihan ka na dito ni universe, no? Air signs, no? So, just take the leap of faith and really, it's time to move on. Kung makikita mo dito yung sarili mo, di ba? Pagod ka na, nasusunog na yung paligid mo, init na init, kumbaga, hindi ka na makahinga, right? So, it's time to move on because you are very exhausted na, no, mga air signs, no? Sobrang pagod ka na talaga sa sitwasyon. So, naaawa na rin sa'yo si universe, no? So, this is really a serious matter, no? For some of you, no, medyo mabigat talaga yung pinagdadaanan ng ating air sign, di ba? Hindi balance, eh. If makikita mo, 10/90, no? So, hindi balance because, lalo na kung Libra, dapat balance, right? But din tignan mo, halos natapon na to. Dahil bigay ka ng bigay doon sa side mo, wala ka nang natitira. Inubos na lahat ng tao na nananamantala lang sa'yo, right? So, it's time to move on. Prioritize yourself, no, mga air sign. So, yeah, that's it for you, air sign, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo dito sa ating message, no, air sign. And by the way, no, thank you pala sa aking nails, no, by Kilay, by Julia, no? So, you can search the FB page of her, no? So, magaling siyang mag-nails, no? And then also, sa ano din, no? Making, ano, no? Yung, ang tawag dito, micro needling, no? Sa ating mga kilay dyan, no? And of course, lip pigmentation din, no? Marami pa siyang mga services, no? So, ang ganda ng mga gawa niya, no? Really, so super worth it, no? And affordable, no? So for some of you, she is in Bacoor near Las Piñas, maybe, I think, no? So you can check it out, no? I will put the link on of her, ano, no? FB page, no? For some of you, no? So yeah. So if you can see, no? Maganda talaga yung mga gawa niya na nails, no? Extensions, right? No? So, yeah, no? So, that's it, no? So, naisingit ko lang, no? For some of you. So, yeah, no? That's it for you, air signs, no? So, again, no? Again, mga air signs, no? So, yeah, no? This is really a heavy situationship for you, air signs, and I hope whoever you are, in this situation, sino man kayo mga nandito sa relasyon na ito, malagpasan niyo na At kung nalagpasan nyo na is continue healing yourself, focus on yourself, focus on your goal, and God is with you. Super, no? Nararamdaman ko si God dito sa lahat ng readings ng air signs. Super, no? Lahat naman ng signs no? Air signs, water sign, earth signs, fire sign, no? It just mean lang talaga na si God, si universe is lagi lang nakatingin sa atin, no? And hindi niya talaga rin hinahayaan na may mga taong maaagrabyado ng sobra-sobra, no? Kasi it's not fair, no? So, yan, no? So, I think also with this 10:9 ratio, no? You have to get out of the situation or sign so you can have this balance, no? And of course, you can have the justice, no? And justice will be served. Something like that, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, air signs, no? So, God bless you all. Take the leap of faith. And of course, take a strong, have this strong faith in God and never, ever, ever doubt God because God never doubted you. No? So, yeah, that's it for you, air sign. And God bless you all. And thank you, air signs.